Dear viewers, in this video you will learn how to make honey hair mask for dry hair and split ends. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this video, as we are going to start. Honey has always been a healer, working wonders for maintaining a healthy body, hair or skin. Honey has humectants, which prevents loss of moisture, thus rescuing you from getting a dry scalp. Consequently, it will also prevent split ends as it strengthens the hair follicles. It also helps in keep your hair scalp clean due to its antibacterial properties. Now, how to make honey hair mask for dry hair and split ends. For this home treatment, you will need 2 to 4 teaspoons organic honey, 1 teaspoon coconut milk, 3 teaspoons milk. Now, what you have to do is mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Apply the mixture to your hair from the roots to the ends. Avoid the roots if you have an oily scalp. Afterwards, clip up your hair, cover it with a shower cap, and keep it on for 1 to 2 hours. Later, rinse your hair with a herbal shampoo. Now, towels dry your hair. Do not use a hairdryer. For best results, you have to repeat this method 1 to 2 times a week. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.